Hi, I'm Jay, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the swivel knob and nut for your Hayward pool pump or spa pump. What am I talking about? These things. You've seen them before. If you're here, you probably broke yours or they broke. Main reason that happens is because you over tighten them. I'm going to show you how to replace them really easily. You can find these online, or you can go to your pool store and pay a premium for it, but you can find them online now. They're pretty cheap. You don't have to go with the Hayward stuff because, hey, look, these things are plastic. That's why it broke to begin with. So the threads in it strip out, and because of that, you're here. Don't over tighten it. I'm going to show you how to tighten it properly so there's nothing to worry about. Let's go over to the pump. I apologize about the noise. It's a hot day. Gotta have the AC on, so it is what it is. These nuts and swivel knobs are fine, but I'm going to replace them to show you. So we'll unscrew them, and you'll notice I didn't really need to wrench on it. We'll just get that one out of the way. I'll get this out of the way also. Take the cover off. There we go. You have a slot here, and you can see how the thing pivots in there, just like that. Unscrew it all the way. Now the problem you're going to have is, how do you get this thing out? It's stuck in there. Well, you have a couple of options. Usually a very small flat blade screwdriver will do the trick. I happen to have this pick here, and I think that might work. Just like that. You just go in there in the hole in the new one. Let me show you that here. You see how it screws in like that, right? So just kind of go in the hole, and if you have one of these picks at the right angle like that, you can do that. Again, a flat blade screwdriver will work in a pinch, or you might try bending a heavy-duty paper clip to about that length, which is, oh, maybe 3/8 of an inch, something like that, and you can go in there and do that. Now you can grab it carefully and pull it out. So there's the old one. We'll take that out. I'll put that aside. The new one slides right in, just like that. And I like to just get the threads to catch in it. You don't want to cross thread it, of course, because then you'll ruin it. There he is right there. And I just run it up and down a little bit. Now what we're going to do is get the cover, put that back on. This should be in the right position. Remember, it's standing straight up and down, which is fine. So we'll put the cover back on, right in there. Here's my original one. Okay, just a little snug. And now the new one, like that. Okay, now, normally most people go in here and they wrench this thing down, that's how you break it. Don't do that. 2 fingers is all you need. That's it. No more than that. Same on the other side. Just till you can't turn it anymore with your fingers. If this cover isn't that tight, it's not really going to be a problem because the pump is going to suck it down. So go ahead and turn it on. We admitted air to it because it was open, so it'll take a second to catch prime. And there she goes. So that's going to purge all of the air out of itself right there. That's pretty good right there. Now, one thing you may notice when you only tighten it down with 2 fingers is it might spit when the pump shuts off. That's because the pump creates such suction on this, it actually sucks the cover down. You're tightening this even more than it needs to be, is only going to serve to break these, so don't do that. Just have it, and if it spits out, what's it going to spit out? Like a mouthful of water? It may or may not hear. Not even. It's fine. Don't go to wrench these down. They're perfectly fine as is, just with 2 fingers. You can, of course, unscrew it just like that. Again, with the 2 fingers, that's all you need, and that's it. So I hope that video helped you out. If it did, please click the like and subscribe buttons. There's also that big thanks button below the video there. If you could click on that, I'd really appreciate it. It helps me out and helps the channel out. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.